Java, an island sculpted by volcanoes, whispers ancient stories. Its lush landscape stretch as far as the eye can see. Volcanoes pierce the sky, their peaks shrouded in mist. Java is a land of contrasts, where cities give way to rice paddies. Ancient temples stand as silent guardians of time. Java is more than just an island, it's a journey for the senses. This is a journey to uncover the hidden soul of Java. We'll delve into the heart of the island, exploring cities unknown to many. We'll wander through ancient temples, their weathered stones whispering tales of forgotten kingdoms. We'll meet the people, their faces etched with the stories of generations past. Their warm smiles and gentle nature will welcome us like long-lost friends. Our journey will take us off the beaten track, away from the crowds and the familiar. We'll discover the true essence of Java, its raw beauty and untamed spirit. Prepare to be amazed by stunning landscapes captured in breathtaking 4K drone footage. Soar above volcanic craters, their depths shrouded in mystery. Glide over cascading waterfalls, their roar a symphony of nature's power. This is more than just a travelogue. It's a journey back in time. We'll uncover the historical significance of these hidden cities, their roles in shaping the Java we know today. Delve into the rich tapestry of Javanese culture, its traditions and beliefs passed down through generations. Experience the vibrant arts and crafts, each piece a testament to the creativity and skill of the Javanese people. Join us as we embark on this unforgettable adventure. Together we'll discover the hidden gems of Java, experiencing its magic through the lens of stunning 4K drone footage. Let the journey begin. Our journey begins in East Java, in a city where the sun first kisses the Indonesian archipelago. Banyuwangi, often called the sunrise of Java, is a land where the earth meets the sea in a symphony of colors. Volcanoes, shrouded in mist, rise majestically from the earth, their peaks piercing the sky. Emerald green rice paddies like giant patchwork quilts stretch as far as the eye can see. Banyuwangi is a land of contrasts where ancient traditions meet the modern world. Here, farmers still tend their fields using methods passed down through generations. Their weathered faces tell stories of resilience, their hands calloused by years of toil. Yet amidst this timeless landscape, a new energy is emerging. The city is buzzing with creativity, a hub for artists and musicians drawn to its raw beauty. At the heart of Banyuwangi's allure lies Mount Ijen, a volcano shrouded in mystery and wonder. By day, Ijen's slopes are a tapestry of vibrant green, home to coffee plantations and clove trees. But as darkness descends, the volcano reveals its true magic. Deep within its crater, a mesmerizing blue fire dances, illuminating the night sky with an ethereal glow. This otherworldly phenomenon, caused by the combustion of sulfuric gases, is a sight that leaves visitors breathless. The journey to Ijen's crater is not for the faint of heart. It's a steep climb, often undertaken in the dead of night to witness the blue fire at its most vibrant. Miners, their headlamps cutting through the darkness, brave the treacherous slopes to collect sulfur. Their silhouettes, outlined against the glowing crater, paint a poignant picture of human resilience in the face of nature's power. Banyuwangi is a melting pot of cultures, a place where Javanese traditions blend seamlessly with Balinese influences. The city's streets come alive with the rhythmic sounds of gamelan music, its melodies echoing the island's ancient rhythms. Traditional dances, passed down through generations, tell stories of love, loss, and the triumph of good over evil. Their intricate movements, accompanied by the vibrant costumes, are a feast for the senses. The people of Banyuwangi are known for their warmth and hospitality. Their smiles are genuine, their laughter infectious. They welcome visitors with open arms, eager to share their culture and traditions. From the bustling markets to the tranquil temples, Banyuwangi offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Java. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Our journey takes us westward now, across Java's spine, to a place where the island's volcanic heart beats with a different rhythm. Baluran National Park, often called the Africa of Java, is a realm of vast savannas. Rolling grasslands stretch as far as the eye can see, disappearing into the hazy horizon. Towering acacia trees stand as silent sentinels, casting long shadows across the plains. Section 2. A Symphony of Wildlife. Baluran is a haven for wildlife, a testament to the island's incredible biodiversity. Herds of banteng, Java's majestic wild cattle, roam freely across the savannah, their massive horns glinting in the sun. Delicate mouse deer dart through the undergrowth, their tiny hooves barely disturbing the fallen leaves. High above, eagles soar effortlessly on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the plains, the park comes alive with activity. Nocturnal creatures, hidden during the day, emerge from their slumber. Civets, their sleek coats shimmering in the moonlight, slink through the undergrowth. The eerie calls of owls pierce the stillness, their haunting melodies echoing through the night. Baluran's Symphony of Wildlife is a constant reminder of nature's delicate balance. Section 3. Guardians of a fragile ecosystem. But Baluran is more than just a stunning landscape teeming with wildlife. It's a reminder of the importance of conservation, of protecting our planet's fragile ecosystems. The park faces numerous challenges, from habitat loss due to human encroachment to the ever-present threat of poaching. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is hope. Dedicated park rangers, working tirelessly to protect Baluran's treasures, patrol the vast expanse, their presence a deterrent against those who would exploit its resources. Local communities too are playing a vital role in Baluran's conservation. They understand that the park's well-being is inextricably linked to their own. Through sustainable tourism initiatives and educational programs, they are working to ensure that Baluran's legacy of natural wonder endures for generations to come. Section 4. A Beacon of Hope. Baluran National Park stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to what can be achieved when humans and nature coexist in harmony. It's a reminder that even in the face of adversity, the wild spirit of Java, like the majestic banteng that roams its plains, remains strong. As we leave Baluran behind, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the importance of protecting our planet's wild places. These hidden gems, often overlooked in our pursuit of progress, are the very heart and soul of our planet. Our journey through Java's hidden gems takes us to Blitar, a city steeped in history and reverence. Nestled in East Java, Blitar is a pilgrimage site where Indonesians honor the father of their nation. The echoes of Indonesia's struggle for independence resonate deeply here. Colonial-era buildings stand as silent witnesses to the past. The air is thick with incense and blooming jasmine, transporting visitors back in time. At the heart of Blitar lies the final resting place of Sukarno, Indonesia's first president. The Bung Karno Mausoleum stands as a testament to his enduring legacy. Pilgrims from across the archipelago pay their respects to the leader who dreamed of a free Indonesia. Within the mausoleum's serene confines, Sukarno's presence is palpable. But Blitar's historical significance extends beyond the legacy of Sukarno. The city is home to numerous historical landmarks, each whispering tales of a rich and storied past. The Blitar Peter Museum, housed in a former military academy, offers a glimpse into the Indonesian struggle for independence, showcasing artifacts and exhibits that chronicle the bravery and sacrifice of those who fought for freedom. The Penataran Temple, a magnificent Hindu temple complex dating back to the 12th century, stands as a testament to Blitar's ancient past. Its intricate carvings and towering structures, weathered by centuries of wind and rain, speak of a time when empires rose and fell, leaving behind a legacy etched in stone. Exploring these historical gems, one can't help but feel a sense of awe at the passage of time and the enduring spirit of the Indonesian people. Blitar is a city of contrasts, where the weight of history sits comfortably alongside the vibrancy of modern life. The streets are a bustling mix of traditional markets, where vendors hawk their wares, and modern cafes, where young people sip coffee and discuss the latest trends. The city pulsates with a youthful energy, a testament to the enduring spirit of Indonesia, a nation forever moving forward while honouring its past. Blitar is a must-visit for those seeking to understand the soul of Indonesia, a land where history comes alive and the echoes of the past resonate deeply. Our journey through Java's hidden wonders takes us to a realm where the earth breathes fire and the air is crisp with pine. Wonosobo, a city amidst towering volcanoes and rolling hills, is a sanctuary for the soul. Here, time slows, inviting travellers to embrace the tranquility of the highlands. The landscape unfolds like a tapestry woven from volcanic activity. High above Wonosobo, shrouded in legend and mist, lies the Dieng Plateau, where the veil between the mortal realm and the divine seems thin. This ancient caldera, formed by a massive volcano millennia ago, is steeped in myth and mystery, a place where gods and spirits roam freely. Amidst the swirling mists and sulphurous vents lie the remnants of Hindu temples, silent guardians of a bygone era. These temples, dating back to the 8th century, evoke a sense of wonder and mystery, whispering tales of great spiritual significance. As the first rays of dawn pierce the darkness, casting a golden glow across the Dieng Plateau, a spectacle of unparalleled beauty unfolds atop Sikunir Hill. Here, amidst the rolling hills and volcanic peaks, the sky explodes in a symphony of colours, painting the landscape in hues of orange, pink and purple. The air, crisp and cool, vibrates with anticipation as the sun slowly emerges from its slumber, casting long shadows across the plateau. From this vantage point, the world seems to fall away, replaced by a panorama of breathtaking beauty. The volcanic peaks of Sumbing and Sindoro, their summits often capped with snow, stand as silent sentinels, their imposing silhouettes outlined against the fiery sky. Below, the Dieng Plateau, still shrouded in the morning mist, awakens slowly, its patchwork of fields and villages gradually revealed as the sun ascends. Wonosobo, with its volcanic splendor and mystical highlands, is a testament to the enduring spirit of Java, a land where nature's raw power and human resilience intertwine to create a tapestry of extraordinary beauty. It's a place where ancient traditions and modern life coexist in harmony, where the echoes of the past whisper through the wind, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all things. As we bid farewell to this enchanting city, we carry with us a renewed sense of wonder and a profound appreciation for the hidden treasures that lie scattered across the Indonesian archipelago. As our journey through Java's hidden gems draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of awe and a renewed appreciation for the island's rich tapestry of culture, history and natural wonder. From the fiery depths of Ijen's blue fire to the serene heights of the Dieng Plateau, from the wildlife-rich savannas of Baluran to the historical echoes of Blitar, Java has unveiled its hidden treasures, revealing a side often unseen by casual observers. These hidden cities, each with its unique charm and allure, are a testament to the enduring spirit of Java, a land where ancient traditions and modern life coexist in harmony. But these treasures are fragile, vulnerable to the pressures of a rapidly changing world. It's our collective responsibility as stewards of this planet to ensure that these hidden gems are preserved for generations to come. This journey has been but a glimpse, a mere sampling of the countless wonders that await those who dare to venture off the beaten path. Java, with its hidden cities and unexplored corners, beckons the adventurous soul, inviting you to uncover its secrets, to immerse yourself in its rich tapestry of experiences. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and set off on your own Javanese adventure. Explore the ancient temples, wander through bustling markets, lose yourself in the tranquility of nature's embrace. Let Java's hidden gems ignite your imagination, awaken your senses, and leave you forever changed by the experience. For in discovering these hidden wonders, we discover a part of ourselves, a connection to something ancient, profound, and undeniably magical.